Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to move the Start button in Windows 11. When you first log into your Windows 11 machine, you may notice that the Start button is in the center of the taskbar instead of to the left-hand side. You can move the Start button to the left-hand side of the screen to make it look more familiar. Let's look at how to move the Start button to a different area of the taskbar. Log on to your Windows 11 machine. Right-click an empty section of the taskbar. In the menu, select Taskbar Settings. Click the Taskbar Behavior section to expand it. Select Left from the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu.
Do you have questions about using Windows 11? The contact information is listed here. Also, if you would like to learn more about Windows 11, check out our Windows 11 courses on the State Learning Management System.